Yep. Added more plants, and yet more plants. Can't remember what this is called, but it's, man, pretty cool though. Hmm. Okay, yep, more plants. Purple delphinias, or blue delphinias. Uh, they're having a little issue here with some dead leaves and drying out, but I don't know. We'll see if they work out. But um, look at we went all the way down to the end. You know, got some lavender there, purple delphinias. I don't remember what those are, but that one ain't looking too hot. Some daisies, mums that were transplanted here before last fall, and they thrived. So mums. I'm not sure what these are, star gazers or something. Don't remember. Some more blue delphinias. I don't remember what these are, but they're pretty cool. This is the rose bush that was out in the front yard by the bird feeders. Transplanted it here. You know, started and just made that little trellis there for it to help. You know, my wife is gonna try to get these stems down here to grow up. She might tie them back a little bit. Got that one, stuck that one through, but that one ended up breaking right there, so it's a little dead. But yeah, we'll see. Some more those blue flowers, more blue delphinia. I don't know. That one ain't looking too hot now either. So hopefully we didn't kill them. Some more of these stargazers. Another mum that was transplanted. Daisies. I don't remember. This is what those other purple flowers look like. They're a little bit dry. Yep. It's wicked hot though right now. So all the way down here. Just you know, making things look better. Hopefully these things work out. We'll see. I may be trying to set up a regular watering system. These ones here are supposed to be my daffodils. They were nice yellow flowers. Looks like they died off a little bit. I can't remember what this thing is. Honeysuckle, maybe? This is pretty cool. These flowers. You know, this was all those, but and another daffodil. But I may try hooking up like a soaker hose to go all the way down through. We'll see. But anyway, yep, more flowers. But I think that's the end of our flowers for now. And the mulching. Just we haven't done anything here since we lived here, so just wanted to make things a little bit beautify things. And hopefully these plants take off. You know, I know when you first plant them and transplant them, and they got to get used to the soil and stuff. So hopefully next year they'll do good. You know. Now, our hostas that we transplanted here last year that didn't look too good, they are looking great now. Look at them. So, you know, got these nice little purple flowers on them. And here's our other one. All these nice purple flowers. And of course the hydrangea. So these plants are doing great. So they're a couple years old now, so they've been used to the soil. So hopefully the rest of our transplants will go, you know. These ones, you know, they haven't flowered again yet. The I don't even remember what they're called. But nothing's Yeah, got a little buddy. Hey. Come here. Get that peanut in your mouth. There you go. See ya. Where was I? You know, these are doing okay. They're just not really flowering no more, but hopefully all this will take off and next year they'll be great. But I just wanted to update you again. Yes, more flowers. So, quick video, just updating you on the flowers. And yeah, want to see our next video? Check out the next one up here. Peace. Till next time.